Sonic Facial Cleansing Brush by NagraCoola. Mine came wrapped in cellophane. Here's some manufacturer's information. We believe beauty tech matters. Dear customer, thank you for purchasing this product. Read the manual carefully. This product uses scientific pulsations channeled by electric silicone touch points to thoroughly remove oil, dirt, makeup residue, and dead skin cells, leaving skin clearer and brighter. It comes with a heating mode that will speed up the opening of the pores and make your daily facial cleansing easier than faster. Each mode has 6 intensities to meet different needs of different skin types. The surface of the device is made of food-grade silicone, which causes no irritation to the skin. 2 kinds of silicone bristles are scientifically designed to clean different facial zones. Besides, it utilizes a contact charging and IPX7 waterproof technology for convenient and safe use. So we're supposed to have a charging cable and regular precautions. 2 modes, heating function, 6 intensities, smart memory, choose your last mode intensity, contact charging, waterproof, wipe it dry after every use as it's easy to collect bacteria when wet, keep it in a dry circumstance with good ventilation, otherwise no special maintenance or care. Put the device in clean shadow after each use. Okay, there's a built-in battery inside the device. To maintain the lifespan of the battery, please recharge the device every 3 months if it's not in use for a long time. It gives information on how to charge, and I'll just read that and show you how I'm doing it. It does have a charger. Just a contactless tab on it. This end requires a USB port. And very ergonomic. The bristles feel pretty soft. I have pretty bad skin, so we'll see if this is going to work or not. You'll have to have a charging port. I use these Anchor outlet extenders. I'll provide a link for you to purchase one just like these. I have these in almost every room of my house. They're quite handy for plugging things in electrical outlets. And it also has exactly the type of port that I need. So this is supposed just to connect to this. Just connects like that. And while it's charging, the light is flashing, which is what is happening. We'll let it charge up. The instructions say the indicator light flashes during charges and keeps solid once charging is finished. We're flashing, so we need to wait till it fully charges. Solid light, we are fully charged. Look how easy that is to attach to recharge. So we're blinking because I've been using it for a week, but I'm going to go ahead and try to demonstrate it for you. It even has the charging tips and the care tips on the back of the product. I was testing on a new product I just received from Ipsy. That's a very nice trial size, isn't it? And I was trying to find the warming mode on here, and I was playing around with it. So if I long press this, it goes into massage mode, and press it again quickly, this toggles back and forth. I got the camera all up to show that. So once you get it cut on, you can press this middle button and it toggles it back to warming mode, to regular mode with the short press, and the long press is what cuts it off. So long press to cut it on. It's still in warming mode. It remembers the last thing. This is supposed to make it more intense. It doesn't make a different sound, and this is supposed to make it less intense. So I can tell by going down that there's a lot less vibration. So yeah, the intensities work, as do the heating and the non-heating modes. Long press to cut it off. Cute. The instructions say to wet the brush and also wet your face. I've learned that you do have to wet your face. In the past, I've been using brushes like this, and they held enough water so that I only could dampen this and add the product to that and didn't have to wet my face. Not wetting my face with this just didn't work. So I'm going to dampen this. I have a sample of JLo Beauty from Ipsy. I'm going to put a little bit on. Dampen my face. Press it on. You can increase the intensity by mashing up. And I go just all over my face to try to spread the product out first. One thing I do like about this, it's like it feels weird, but it's like a vibration for your face instead of just a rotating bristle like the ones I've been using. So I get a different sensation. It's not bad, it's just different, especially around my nose. I can see where some people might find that uncomfortable, but it's made my face feel really good. I've been using retinol products on my face this week, so on my even on my eyes, so my face is kind of in flaky peel mode, and this has not irritated it at all. Super easy to use. It's like even getting in and around small places on my nose and places like that. Very ergonomic. It's easy to hold, isn't heavy. But you can see it's not sudsing up a lot because I didn't put a lot of water or product on the device. So if you want to do like a little bit, if you feel like more suds, put some more product on there, some more suds. But I'm very happy with it. It's helping me while I'm in flaky mode. It's comfortable, super easy to use, easy to recharge. I have no complaints. Just to demonstrate, like if you want to do more sudsy type cleaning, I added some more product, put some more water on there. So if you like that satisfaction of actually seeing the product bubble up and cream up, you can actually do that with the product. Just a little different than the types I was using before. I'm not disappointed. It feels cleaner because I'm not having to take the brush off. Like this brush would kind of get mildewy and I would have to pull it off and soak it in bleach a little bit. When this one completely, totally died, I thought, well, I saw this one on Amazon and thought, let me give this a try. Maybe it's a little bit more hygienic, and I like it. To cut it off, just press the center and then rinse. Dry it and store it in a place where it's not going to receive direct sunlight. And it needs to be recharged. It's just that simple. So I really like this little device. Thanks for watching. If you can, give the video a thumbs up and share if appropriate. Leave a comment below, checking the link, and I'll provide a link where you can buy this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. And until next time, let's just help each other find the coolest products out there to help look the best and feel the best that we can and enjoy life. You have time before you go watch another video. Thank you very much. Bye.